Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, let's quickly learn how we can link home menu to the main page. In last session, we have created the beautiful menu for clickandcapturestudio.com, right? And we have received the feedback from the client. So the email goes like this. Hi Cecile, hope you're doing well. The menu design you created looks awesome. We really appreciate the work you have put into it. We just have a small change request. Currently, when clicking on the home button in the menu, it's redirecting to a new page. So let me come back to the Chrome browser. We are in the clickandcapturestudio.com and now we are in services in wedding photography. Alright, so whenever someone clicks on the home page, it's redirecting to a new page. And could you please adjust it so that the home button in the menu redirects directly to the main home page provided by the main MS theme. We would like to keep visitors on the main home page without landing a separate one. Thanks again for all your help with this. It looks great. So what the client is requesting is that when someone clicks on the home page, it should not redirect to a new page. The requirement is when someone clicks on the home page, it have to redirect to the main page, which is given by default by this particular theme. So that is the requirement. And now how are we going to do that? And it's going to be very simple. First, we have to navigate to the WordPress dashboard. And here we have to click on appearance. In the appearance, we have to navigate to menu. Alright, here we do have the home page which we have created, right? So when someone clicks on the home, it have to redirect to the clickandcapturestudio.com, the main home page given by this particular theme. So in the WordPress dashboard, we have to scroll down a little bit, and then here we do have an option called custom links, and here we have to enter the URL, and it's going to be https clickandcapturestudio.com. So let me take the copy of the name of the URL and then let me paste it right here. Alright, and then I want to click on add to menu. So as soon as I click on it, and it will fall into the very bottom. Here it is, the custom link, and we have to drag and drop from the very bottom onto the very top, exactly in the place of home. Here exactly. Now what we have to do, we have to remove this particular home page. It is no longer required for us. So let me click on remove. It has been removed. Now I want to name this particular page as home. So let me click on the arrow button, and here we can give the label to this particular page, and it's going to be home. Alright, and once it is done, let me click on save menu, and it is very simple. Now I want to quickly navigate back to clickandcapturestudio.com, and then I want to do a quick page refresh. As you can see, the home page is now updated. No matter in which page you are in the website, when someone directly clicks on the home button, they will be navigated to the main home page of Click and Capture Studio. It will not be redirected to a new page. So it is very much simple. So in this video, you have learned how we can link home menu to the main page. If you have any doubts in this video, feel free to leave in the comment section, so I'll go through your comments and answer accordingly. And please continue watching the remaining videos. It will be very easy. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.